What is a set? A set is a collection of objects, or some people use the word elements. The elements have to be different. They can't be the same. There are two kinds of set: finite versus infinite. Finite means that you can count the elements. But infinite means you cannot count the elements because there's too many elements in the set. It continues on to infinity. We can write finite sets and infinite sets three different ways. The first way to write a set is to list out the elements using a curly brace. A curly brace is the symbol for a set. And then all we do is list out the set. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, ... 10. The second way to write a set is to use words. Using the example from above, I'm going to write the set 1, 2, 3, 4, ... 10 using words. This set we would write like this: the set of natural numbers. These are natural numbers because natural numbers are whole numbers that begin with 1. The set of natural numbers greater than or equal to 1, but less than or equal to 10. The last way to write a finite set or an infinite set is to use set builder. And set builder is written this way: curly brace, because that's how we symbolize a set. And then we describe the elements inside using a lowercase letter. It could be any letter that you want. I'm going to use X. X represents an element in that set. And then what we do is we draw a bar, which means such that. And then you have to describe the element using symbols or words. X was an element in the natural numbers. we use this symbol E that's curved for element. And then we use a capital N, but with a double diagonal line across that middle part. And then we say, comma, that X would need to be greater than or equals to 1. And then we use the word and, because it's in between 1 and 10, and X is less than or equals to 10. Okay, number 6 states, write the set builder for the following set. This is our set. Curly brace, 200, comma, 201, comma, 202, dot, 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 all the way to 2000. This is a finite set, and they label sets using capital letters, but they label elements using a lowercase letter. A capital letter is used to label sets. So this is set A. I need to write this using set builder. So in order to do that, I draw my curly brace. Always draw your curly brace. I pick a letter, but write the letter small. It could be any letter.
Okay, I have a question.
Oh, inside the parenthesis, or inside the curly brace, we use a lowercase letter, such as little x, or little a, or little b. And then we write a line, and then we describe the elements in the set. The elements in the set are natural numbers, so we put X must be an element, E, of the natural numbers. X is bigger than or equals to 200, and X is smaller than or equals to 2,000. In the next objective, we have to count the number of elements. This is called the cardinal number. A cardinal number is defined as the number of elements in the set. But if the set is infinite, then write undefined, or abbreviate using UND.